Hello everyone, this is Kaiser. I'm a virtual assistant who provide different kind of online marketing services for small businesses, business owners and entrepreneurs. So right now I'm gonna take you into my Fiverr account where you can see all my gigs and you can find which one you want to choose for make an order. But today I'm gonna show you my create logo design offer, which is only for $5 and it will remain until end of the March. So you can see all the categories on there, what kind of features I'm providing, and these packages are really great for startups. They are getting two concept with logo transparency, and resolution is kind of like you can upload on social media and everywhere with high quality, but you can't print on any object like on your t-shirt, on your cap. So this package is really great if you're a startup, if you have new website, new social media, and you are focusing on branding. Moreover, if you want to keep me on your list, just create a Fiverr account. It's really easy to create and save me on your list. In that way you can see all kind of updates about my pricing and my services. Also you can go for standard and premium packages where you will get high quality logos and it will be printable on your any kind of products, and you will get other necessary graphic design services for bringing more brand identity and awareness. So this is the great thing for you with low price and high quality services. I designed many logo for different kind of businesses, but I couldn't add all of them on Fiverr. I just added few over here so you can see my work sample. So if you want a huge amount of work, like workload, like website designing, all of them, like if you have website, if you have social media, everything, and you want to design, you can do the custom offer over here. I can design all of it, like your social media, cover photo, logo, website, everything will be branding. And if you want any kind of a sample, you can visit click the gym social media, and the website that I have is my own website, own social media platform, and you can check all the things that done by me, top to bottom, even building the blog site, website, everything. So you can order for all kind of design here as a custom offer. Also you can order for logo design. If you're new on Fiverr, you can create account, which is really easy, as like Facebook creating account or other social media creating account. So if you are also from Upwork or other freelancing website, you can also work on Fiverr because they doesn't ask for so many requirements, and their payment system for buyers and seller is really secure. It's like AI bot. If you don't provide the service, if you don't do the good way, the buyer payment will be hold and buyer will get back their money. So everything is secure for both sides, for sellers and buyers. If the sellers serve well and buyer didn't pay you, then you can talk with the Fiverr support team. If you can prove that you didn't get your payment but you serve well, then their team will provide you the payment. Alright, so this is the great thing for Valentine's Day, and I hope you all are enjoying very well. I wish you all the best who are newly couple, and stay safe, have fun. Alright, have a great day.